Look. We have a garden flower that Santa Claus gave it. Yeah, they give us something to plant some flowers, and we want a garden. We want to share it to you how we plant it. And look, this is what you have here. And look what it says. Growing time will be dependent on planting condition and growing season. I need help to open this. So now we're just gonna open it, but first just look at the front that I have here. You will see the things that we have, so you need to also have it. I want to take a go. Then always I cannot open it. Okay, now let's go open it. Wow, Mommy, let's go check. Mommy, I need help.
Yeah.
Wow! Possible. Mommy, I cannot open it. Here. Let me help you. There.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. And look. I hope you got it. This is so. Oh wow! I have stickers. Yeah, and look, we have some of this, and we have a cover so they can read and file. That's what else we have. Oh, I also have stickers. Look, we have some stickers, so we need to put the stickers. To put the flowers. Yeah. And we have hearts to leave the flowers. And we have stickers. Yep. And we have just paint. And we have to just put the name. We have paint. And look. And we have stickers. We have these 3 things. That is to write the name of the flowers and put them at the store. And we have this. Look.
Vermiculite. A
And look,
vermiculite bag.
these are the seeds.
We have 3 packs of seeds.
Yeah, so that means that you can plant 3.
And what are those seeds? Can you just let me know?
One is cosmos, one is zinnia, and one is marigold. I like this one. His name.
Oh yeah.
So
And then
let's go put them in order. So look, here you can see that it says their name. It's the same. Now let's go do the things. First, we are going to put stickers. So remove the things that you have on the stickers.
So we're going to decorate first our
our
lantern.
Yeah, that. So for that, I'm gonna put all the stickers. Yes, this team. We need to put stickers. Look. The first part is to put stickers. So we need to do it. But what do we need to do? We mix them. This is a loam soil or a humus soil, so we mix it with the gravel. And we need half. Mommy, look. I need to get the whole bunch of the bag, not the whole thing. So, spiral kind of Wait. What about me?
Yep, and then we mix them.
Let me put the gravel too.
Okay.
So we already have the gravel. Now we just need the shovel. Or else just lime. We change hands. We already have a shovel. Now we need a shovel. Yeah, it's a lime. So mix with your hand.
Alright, we need to add warm water, like a 2/3 cup
Can you
of
tell me
water.
when I need to stop?
Yeah,
Two.
I spread it all over the warm water.
I don't know even when to stop.
To the side as well.
Into the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So you have your fabric garden.
Alright, then we have to wait
Stop.
for an hour.
Stop.
Alright.
Stop. Just a moment. Just need to put some there.
Okay, so we need to wait for an hour.
So now we just kind of cold.
Yes.
In the middle. Look, let me get the gold.
And sprinkle it.
I'm finding gold.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Another one. Wait. Here. This one. This side. Okay. Or after 3 hours, we're going to plant the seeds. Here.
Okay, flowers.
And let's see this called marigold.
Marigold.
Let me see the seeds of marigold.
That one.
So we're going to plant them.
These seeds are zinnia.
You have only 2?
Yeah, there's only 2 of zinnia
There's only 2?
because they're too big. Hiya. I will put them here. We need to hide them, okay? Oh, there we go. We need to get close, okay? Mommy.
Seeds. And now we are going to
Put it.
plant them.
I'm going to put the green. Just get the seeds out.
Oh, it's okay.
Put them. Only seeds. Two.
Mm-hmm. Shoot them. Okay. And there is one more seed here. Right there. Okay.
Oh, yeah. There. Very cold.
So this is how the seeds of marigold look like.
They look like arrows when you throw them.
Wow.
There's so many.
Yeah,
I
this
could
one.
plant all of them at one hole. They
Alright.
all got crumpled. Let's go
check.
put them. Gonna put them just like this. So see that line? We don't put it at the line. We put it in the center. We're going to open the last bag now. Let's just see. There. Let's go see now the seeds. Which seeds can be? Wow, they're like little worms. They are.
What seed is that?
It is Cosmos.
Cosmos. Alright, let's see how Cosmos will look when they grow.
Yeah, let's go see. I think the better name is Cosmo. But it's Cosmos. I'm putting the decoration. This is our finished project, and now we just need to put the things again. So there you go. I want to know something. Wow, they perfectly.
So we're going to wait
Until they grow.
until the seeds
So
start growing.
just need to clean your bowl. Look. Look. You need to clean your bowl because or else you cannot see it well. Let's go see. No. Still not yet. Clean still. After it become very clean.
Okay now.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Come on, cover it please.
Okay. Little garden.
This is our flower garden.